Today we discussed whole number place value. So we started at the decimal point and we went to the left. That's where the whole numbers are, to the left of the decimal place. We looked at the pattern between the place values, and we noticed that when we go to the left on the place value chart, that they get 10 times bigger. So we can multiply by 10, by 10, by 10 to jump to the next place value. However, if we start on the right-hand side, we can do the opposite. The opposite of multiplication is division, so we can divide by 10. Why the number 10? Well, our place value system is based on the number 10. So we have 10 fingers, 10 toes, so that's how it developed. We also have many different ways that we can represent these numbers. We can just represent this in standard form, 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, so forth. Okay, we can also start writing them as a multiplication problem on how many times we have 10. So in the ones place, we don't have any groups of 10 yet. In the tens place, we have one group of 10. In the hundreds place, we have 10 groups of 10. 10 times 10. In the thousands place, it takes 10 times 10 times 10 to get 1,000. 10,000s place, 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 to get to 10,000, and so forth. Since we're working with this base 10, we can write the numbers in shorthand. I told the students it is like using your texting. Okay? LOL is short for laughed out loud. Exponential form, which is this form on the top of the chart, is shorthand for writing these numbers. So since we know 10 is our base, that all our place value system is based on 10, we can use exponential form. So 10 to the 0 power is 1. It just is telling us we don't have any groups of 10 to be multiplying together yet. 10 to the first power means we have the 110 here. No multiplication is going on yet. 10 to the second power means that we have 10 times 10. So when we see 10 to the second power, it's 10 times 10. When we see 10 to the third power, it's 10 times 10 times 10, meaning we have 10 times 10 times 10 3 times. We're working off the base number. The base number in our place value system is the number 10, and I kept on stressing that over and over and over again. It's very important that we realize that this whole system is based on the number 10. 10 to the fourth power is 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. And we took a closer look at all this with a calculator, and we showed on how we can move to the left and to the right in these different forms using the different mathematical operations.